Thank you for coming all the way from the NASA Space Center in San Francisco to meet my student.
Nista, immislek ftit idejk, immislek moħok, noħodlok moħok, noħodlok bidejk.
The pleasure is all mine.
We are very happy to have you.
Wow, tista' tbaxxi ftit.
Baxxi, of course.
Qed tideskom bil-diżabilità tiegħi.
Disabilità? What disabilità? Bella, I have a disabilità. As I noticed.
Int kif tagħmel pipi?
Oh my God, Adam. What a pastas. I'm sorry, Professor. He's from Zaytun.
Anka minn Zejtun. Allura?
Stammi ħorċat smijak għal fuq Instagram, please. Għax the thing is, photos with disabled people get several likes, it's true. And people feel really good about themselves when they press a like for a miskin.
Kieku Paris Hilton tgħidlek biex taqqaxxar stuftajnek bil-glitter tal-ġubun tagħmilha.
Miss Katz, I'd like to report Manuela for mentioning God's name in vain.